Amazing health benefits of carrot juice that'll surprise you. Carrots are well known for their high levels of vitamins and minerals. Every health nut's favorite is fresh carrot juice, which is known for its detoxifying properties. Want to know more? But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. Carrot juice is most well known for its eye health properties. Because carrot juice is said to detoxify our bodies of many toxins, it should be consumed primarily on an empty stomach. Some people add herbs to carrot juice to improve the flavor and antioxidant content. So without further ado, let's look at these amazing health benefits of carrot juice that'll surprise you. 1. Improves eye health. Studies show that once toxins take over a person's body, their eye health begins to deteriorate. These toxins prevent nutrients from reaching your eyes, resulting in macular degeneration and age-related vision loss. Because glasses and contact lenses can't treat eye problems, you don't need them. They require vitamin and carotenoids, which can be found in carrots and carrot juice. By increasing the nutritional supply, particularly vitamin A, drinking carrot juice on an empty stomach can help with detoxification and eye health. 2. It's possible that it'll help you lose weight. Carrots are high in fiber and protein, which can help you feel full. Carrot juice can help you stay hydrated and fuller for longer periods of time. This aids in the control and even reversal of obesity. Carrot juice is ideal for those on a diet because it is low in calories. It can even keep hunger and cravings at bay. 3. Immune system booster. Carrot juice is high in antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins, so it naturally boosts your immune system and helps you fight diseases. It can naturally strengthen you and keep you from getting sick as frequently. Carrot juice, rather than raw carrots, should be consumed by people with autoimmune diseases like Hashimoto's or hypothyroidism, as it increases absorption. 4. Reduces the risk of cancer and helps to prevent it. Carrots contain falcarinol, a powerful antioxidant that inhibits the growth of cancerous cells and even kills them. Anti-cancer or anticarcinogenic properties could be extremely beneficial in the treatment of cancer and tumors. It could be extremely beneficial in the treatment of colon, breast, and prostate cancers. It has also been shown to boost immunity in cancer patients following radiation and chemotherapy. 5. Plaque-defying, a part of oral hygiene. Instead of rinsing your mouth with mouthwashes, drink carrot juice first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to stimulate saliva production and reduce plaque buildup. Carrot juice can help strengthen gums and prevent cavities in both children and adults. Carrot juice has been shown to help empty the bowels and thus reduce bad breath and plaque. It can be consumed safely every morning to improve oral hygiene. 6. Helps to empty bowels on a regular basis. Due to poor food choices and lifestyles, the majority of people suffer from IBS, constipation, bloating, gas, diarrhea, and nausea. Carrots and carrot juice are high in soluble fibers, which are good for gut health. This aids in the regularization of bowel movements, ensuring that waste materials are not held in your body. Many diseases can be caused by irregular bowel movements. This condition can be treated to keep your skin clear, your hair healthy, and inflammation at bay. 7. Aids in the reduction of high blood pressure. The majority of us suffer from poor blood circulation. To combat high blood pressure, we need potassium, but most foods prevent our bodies from absorbing it. Drinking carrot juice first thing in the morning on an empty stomach increases potassium bioavailability and aids absorption. This improves blood flow in the arteries and veins, while also naturally lowering blood pressure. Carrot juice, once reduced, can even help to maintain a healthy blood pressure level. 8. Menstrual cramps could be helped. Carrots have anti-inflammatory properties, so drinking carrot juice first thing in the morning may help you avoid menstrual illnesses and cramps. During cycles, it is said to help with irregular periods and flow, mood swings, hot flashes, no appetite, fatigue, and constipation. It can also help with vaginal health. 9. Hair benefits. Carrot juice is loaded with vitamins A and E, which are easily absorbed on an empty stomach. Carrot juice can also help with hair loss, dandruff, and a dry, patchy scalp. Carrot juice contains all of the minerals required for strong hair strands. Carrot juice promotes hair growth and volume by increasing blood flow and circulation to the scalp. 10. Skin benefits. Many sunscreen lotions contain carrots to protect you from sun damage and ultraviolet rays, as you may have noticed. They keep your skin from drying out and becoming patchy. Carrots have also been shown to help with acute dermatitis, acne, pimples, rashes, itching, infections, and signs of aging like scars, wrinkles, crow's feet lines, and pigmentation. It hydrates and nourishes your skin throughout the day. According to one study, eating a carotenoid-rich diet can help protect your skin from ultraviolet damage and improve its appearance. Carrot juice contains nutrients that may be particularly beneficial to skin health. Vitamin C, a water-soluble nutrient required for collagen production, is found in 1 cup of carrot juice. This is the most abundant fibrous protein in your body, and it gives your skin elasticity and strength. Vitamin C also functions as an antioxidant, protecting your skin from free radical damage. 11. May protect your liver. The carotenoids in carrot juice are thought to promote liver health. Several studies indicate that the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects of carotenoids protect against non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. NAFLD occurs when fat accumulates on your liver, typically as a result of poor diet, excess weight, or obesity. It may eventually progress to liver scarring and lasting damage. An 8-week study in rats found that carrot juice reduced some markers of NAFLD. Another rodent study produced similar results, revealing that carrot juice didn't reduce fat on the liver but decreased inflammatory blood markers. 12. Controlling blood sugar levels may be easier. Carrot juice in small doses may help to lower blood sugar levels. Fermented carrot juice lowers blood sugar and improves other related markers in rats with type 2 diabetes, according to studies. This is because the juice contains probiotics, which are good bacteria that affect diabetes-related gut bacteria. 13. Improve brain health. The beta-carotene in the juice also improves cognition and lowers the likelihood of age-related memory difficulties in the long run. One of the reasons for this is its capacity to combat oxidative stress, which can harm brain cells. Workers exposed to leaders who were given beta-carotene had lower levels of oxidative stress in research. Cellular damage can also be caused by oxidative stress in the brain. Carrot juice contains beta-carotene, which can help to avoid this. Carrot juice contains potassium, which can reduce the risk of stroke. A cup of carrot juice includes 689 milligrams of potassium, which is more than 17% of your daily potassium requirement. Purple carrot juice, according to another rodent study, improves blood sugar control due to the anti-inflammatory effect of its anthocyanin pigments. Despite this, carrot juice has a low glycemic index, which is a measurement of how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels. Low glycemic foods and beverages may help diabetics better manage their blood sugar levels. As a result, carrot juice could be a good substitute for high GI fruit juices. It's important to keep portion sizes in check though, because eating too much can cause blood sugar levels to spike. We hope you liked the video. If so, hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. See you in the next video.